you do when someone keeps stealing your labeled lunch from the office fridge. It started with my usual turkey wrap vanishing every Tuesday. I taped a bright yellow note to it reading property of desk 4, do not touch. The next day, it was gone again, but this time, someone had drawn a little smiley face on the tape. I knew I had to catch them. I bought a digital kitchen scale, set it to 0, and placed my lunch directly on top. Then I hid behind the water cooler with my phone recording. At noon, a familiar silhouette crept in, grabbed the container, and immediately gasped when the scale beeped loudly. It wasn't even about the food, it was about the principle. I walked over, handed them a fresh wrap from my bag, and said, "Next time just ask." They've been bringing me homemade cookies ever since. Sometimes petty revenge just needs a little napkin diplomacy.